Just out here for a ride with my buddy, and a tree fell down in the middle of the road up here. I'm just gonna check it out, see if we can help. Let's see if we can help clear this mess out. So this is how we do stuff in Nova Scotia. But a great big tree just fell down right in the middle of the road. We just cleaned her up like nothing before anybody even got here. Yeah, so a bunch of us got together and ripped that damn tree apart and pulled it the hell off the road so people could get through.
Big fucking
Anyway,
tree too.
It was a big tree. Anyway, hope you're all having a good day. We're gonna carry on, continue riding. Hey, welcome back. Dan the Man here. Just getting ready to head out on the bike. It is a scorcher again today. I'm gonna head over the shore, I think. It's nice and cool over on the shore. I'll take you with me. Sitting in our Halls Harbor, in the sun, there's no shade anywheres. Having a sub from Subway, steak and cheese, mayonnaise and Parmesan. That's it. It's a beautiful day here, but it's awfully hot. Heading out for a ride. I'm gonna go over to Chad's this morning. It's Friday. Let's see what's going on over there this morning, and I'll take you with me. Hang tight.
Hey, how you doing? Al, with the 79 Transporter. It's got 2.5-inch drop spindles on the front. This color is called Living Coral 2019 Pantone Color of the Year. Pink bus.
Nice.
And this is pastel white, which is a classic VW color. It's got the louvered windows. When I got it, it was a camper. And I took the camping gear out because it was too mousy, and I like the seats because it's fun to fill it with people, and yeah, it's a nice little car to drive. As a daily driver, I don't take it to shows or anything. I don't do that. Mechanically inclined, but you know, I gotta get it serviced like anybody else. And
Nice.
yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's just ripping around. Good.
My wife's dad my wife's dad had one of these, and every time she sees one, she tells me about it when she was a kid.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a lot of fun. I got the sport exhaust. Not that it goes.
Oh yeah.
Not that it goes
Cool.
any faster, but yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I just got a couple cool things on it.
Right on.
Know, makes me smile, which is
Yeah. How long have you owned it? Or
I've had it. I don't know, maybe 8 years.
8 years, yeah.
8 or 9.
Cool. So you're willing to part with it, are you?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Yeah. Right on.
Of, sell it, then I'll miss it,
Yep.
and then I'll want another one. But every one is a journey. Yeah.
Yeah, they look cool. Well, I had some shade for a bit. Now it's time to head out on the bike. Not much going on here today. Too hot to do anything outside, work outdoors. Everybody's just kind of hanging out in the garage. Well, I had my little visit at Chad's for a bit. Some people kept showing up. It was getting busy there. So I took off. I got some stuff to do today. Anyways, I hope you're all having a great day.